Morning, everybody. It's Nick Rogers, and do I have a little video for you today? It is Saturday, May 21st in Colorado Springs, Colorado of the year 2022, and we got a snowstorm. Check it out. Well, good morning, everybody. This is Nick Rogers. Once again, in the beautiful state of Colorado. Today is like May 21st, and yeah, woke up to this. Quite a bit of snow. And it's not just regular snow, this is heavy snow. Started off as rain, then turned to freezing rain, and then slush snow, and then it just snowed all night. And that right there is two different trees that looks like they've broken. I'm gonna go shake off the snow. So last night, I woke up in the middle of the night, and I actually did look out the window, and the snow was accumulating, but it was 1 in the morning at this point, but it didn't look anything like this. As you can see in some of these pictures, the snow was coming down last night, but I really didn't feel like putting on clothes and going out there with the broom in the middle of the night and saving the trees. I didn't even really think it was needed, but I guess it was. Now we've seen the damage in the back. Let's go take a look at the front. All right. Oh man. Oh, that's not good. When I was talking about the heavy snow, if I step and look back, you can see it's the slush that froze onto the tree limbs and snapped them. So this is what it looks like. Man, that's some heavy snow. That's so heavy. It's so heavy. Hopefully these trees back here that I can't really get to can survive the snowfall for tonight and tomorrow. So as we sit and wait as the snow continues to come, we take a look at the weather. It looks like it's going to keep snowing all night, even into tomorrow. And there's a mix of wet snow, some freezing rain, just regular snow. So I guess do your part, stay vigilant, get outside, knock the trees around, try to save them. We need the trees, we need the flowers. Let's just see what happens.